Welcome to another episode of Sabki Right. Today we're going to be talking about a rather sad incident that happened.
Yeah,
and somehow
very
people on
unfortunate.
social media aren't really talking about it as much as I thought they would be. So recently, this sometime within the last week, a 27-year-old guy, Taimur Riaz, got shot in Islamabad while crossing the Sabzi Mandi area with a friend. वो थे उनके साथ एक खातून थी जो कि they were coming back from a friend's birthday party और उसमें the police वाला at the chowki allegedly stopped them, signaled them to stop. They didn't. He fired 3 shots. One of them hit him in the head.
And
he died on the spot. Interestingly, there hasn't been a lot of media coverage on it. It's been very, very basic कि ये हुआ, and that is it. And also, social media
has been very dead about it, because the past week was a little crazy when it comes to social media. There was a lot of stuff that happened, but I felt like they focused so much on everything else, certain people from the radio leaving or ye happening or wo happening. This was something that actually happened and people should have made a lot of hue and cry about it. Yes, Kareem was a big deal and everything was a big deal, but this was bigger.
But that did not affect something on such a personal level.
Yeah, this was someone's life. Yeah.
And that's not just कि उस बंदे की जान चली गई, जो पे चलो उस पे तो insensitive लोग हो ही गए हैं.
Yeah.
The repercussions of something like this happening and not उसका अगर कोई वो ना हो, outrage ना हो.
Some consequence needs to come out of it. Like people need to be riled up about it. And it's so strange because there's so many of us that live in Islamabad, okay? And we all go to chowkis और हम सब constantly chowkis cross करते हैं when we're entering Islamabad, when we're exiting it.
Exactly. And a lot of times
and it's something that affects us all.
It affects everyone. A lot of times it actually happens कि आपको पता भी नहीं लग रहा होता कि आपको सिग्नल कर रहे हैं, रोक रहे हैं, आप थोड़ा आगे निकल जाते हैं तो आपको पता लगता है, आप रिव्यू मिरर में देखते हैं तो एक्चुअली आपको रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं, फिर आप रोक लेते हैं.
अब now जो बंदा है तैमूर रियाज, उसके बाप ने स्टेटमेंट जो दिया, उसने कहा था सीसीटीवी कैमरास लगे हुए थे near the चौकी. उन्होंने कहा कि there is no way that there is any evidence कि उन्होंने जो है रोका है उस बंदे को. They said the CCTV footage proves कि उन्होंने नहीं रोका तैमूर को. They didn't give him any signal because that's what they usually do. If you have a female person accompanying you, वो आपको नहीं रोकते चौकियों पे. So I'm guessing उसको वाकई लगा होगा नहीं रोका.
Exactly.
और probably रोका भी नहीं होगा. और उन्होंने they decided कि बस they didn't stop him और बस they shot him immediately. अब now shooting is one thing. Shooting to kill is another.
Yeah.
If they felt like he was a security threat, they could have shot at the tires. वो टायर्स पे शूट कर लेते, वो उसकी कोई राइट क्लैविकल पे कर लेते, किस तरह कुछ कर लेते. लेकिन shooting someone in the head, it just proves that our police is not trained.
He is not trained, exactly. Like इतनी sensitive area, इतनी सारी चीज़ के ऊपर आपने पुलिस को खड़ा किया हुआ है, and you do not have the formal training to deal with these situations.
Yes.
And this is not the first time that something like this has happened in Islamabad. Islamabad में एक दफा पहले भी कोई 2-1 साल पहले
2 kids
मारा गया था इसी तरीके से. आप expect करते हो कि एक दफा situation हुई, आपकी पुलिस बहुत professional होगी. Unfortunately, it wasn't. जो interesting चीज़ मुझे इस situation में नजर आ रही है वो ये कि again, people are not talking about it on social media. The media is not covering it on the same level. वरना normally एक story आती है तो वो आके उसके अंदर बाहर हुए होते हैं कि यार ये angle और ये angle और
and if you read the story आपको पता चलता है कि story वाकई काफी strange है because पुलिस वाले भाग गए उसके बाद, वो गायब हो गए. Some people are claiming कि उन्होंने body को उस में रखवा दिया and it was found by someone in charge at the morgue and they found the body. इसकी वजह से वो inspection start हुई. So it's very strange how
there's a lot of
it's such a strange story and how there's no information
put out there for people कि to actually know कि हो क्या रहा है. That's I think the worst thing because जब तक आपको पता नहीं लगा क्या हुआ है, how can you rectify that?
And I think it's a big deal. And social media, people on social media have such a response जिसमें वो information निकाल लेते हैं and things come out. This is something that's dangerous, guys. If your police at chowkis have guns and they can shoot to kill you, it's something that citizens of a place जो है, you need to take action.
They need to take action. They need to talk about it. They need to push the relevant authorities to
at least bring it up. जब तक बात ही नहीं करोगे, if you can talk about everything else, might as well talk about this. And you should talk about this. This is more important.
This is more important than a Kareem ban or anything else.
Or someone leaving a radio station or something. I mean, वो सबने share किया. Why not this? This is big deal.
Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this episode.
Yes.
I hope you will like, subscribe, comment. Do let us know what you think about this incident, and if you can, do go and talk to the relevant authorities about it as well. Another big story of the week, Amir Liaquat Hussain, who's constantly on the media for one fuck up or another.
तो ऋषि कपूर की कव्वाली में जो एक आदमी नहीं आया था वो लग रहा है.
तो आमिर लियाकत ने 64 पुशअप्स लगाकर नया चैलेंज कर दिया है.
बाल आपके असली हैं या लगवाए हैं आपने?
नेचुरल है. नहीं दी अच्छा.